Pow, boys and girls! Today, we're going to learn something colorful and fun. Can you name some colors? Red, blue, yellow, green? Great! Today, we're going to learn 10 colors in Chinese. Are you ready? Let's begin. Red. Look at this color. Red. In Chinese, 红色. 红色. Repeat after me. 红色. Red. 红色. Blue. Look at the sky. It is blue. Blue in Chinese is 蓝色. 蓝色. Say it with me. 蓝色. Blue. 蓝色. Yellow. Look at the sun. It is yellow. Yellow in Chinese, 黄色. Repeat. 黄色. Yellow. 黄色. Green. Look at the leaves. They are green. Green in Chinese, 绿色. Your turn. 绿色. Green. 绿色. Black. Look at this color. Black. Black in Chinese, 黑色. 黑色. Say it. 黑色. Black. 黑色. White. Now look at this color. White. White in Chinese, 白色. 白色. Repeat. 白色. White. 白色. Pink. Look at this pretty flower. It is pink. Pink in Chinese, 粉色. 粉色. Say it with me. 粉色. Pink. 粉色. Purple. Look at the butterfly. It is purple. Purple in Chinese, 紫色. 紫色. Repeat. 紫色. Purple. 紫色. Brown. Look at the teddy bear. It is brown. Brown in Chinese, 棕色. 棕色. Your turn. 棕色. Brown. 棕色. Orange. Look at this orange. It is orange. Orange in Chinese, 橙色. 橙色. Repeat after me. 橙色. Orange. 橙色. Let's review all the colors. Red, 红色. Blue, 蓝色. Yellow, 黄色. Green, 绿色. Black, 黑色. White, 白色. Pink, 粉色. Purple, 紫色. Brown, 棕色. Orange, 橙色. Excellent work! Please subscribe and share this video with your friends. 再见!
再见. See you next time.